Welcome back, traders. Second portion of our show, Market Movers, with this being Black Friday and Dennis out doing some early shopping. We will check in on some of the retailers. Starting out with Best Buy here. The stock is currently just trading down 11 cents. Folks, please keep an eye on your nets, at least on my trade station here. It looks like the net changes they are giving me are from Tuesday's close and not from Wednesday's close. But that being the case here, we have Best Buy hovering around yesterday's low at 25.63. Let's keep an eye on that level as support, see if we can get a little bit of a test. You also had the close there in that area at 25.71. If it does get to that level, we could make a test here at 26.17, which was yesterday's high. So we're pretty much using yesterday's range in Best Buy as our numbers for today. Moving on to our next retailer, Target, just trading down slightly as well. Do see some real major support in that stock at $51. If in fact it can't hold this $51 level, that stock could be poised to fill the gap that it had between $49.50 and $51. If you do get a little pop here off this 51.53 area, which was the low in the close from Friday, you'll find some resistance at 52.22, which was Wednesday's high. Our next retailer, Kohl's, a place that I do a little bit of shopping in, so we can maybe give that a good plug or something. You got minor support coming in at yesterday's low, which was 52.13. If in fact it can't hold that level, I'd be looking for 51.43. Coming back on the upside, it did close right on its low, so we'll get a pop off that area. You will find resistance at Wednesday's high at 53.16. Moving on to one of our higher end retailers, JW Nordstrom, a stock that's just fallen off a cliff since hitting 53 back in October. 44.63. That should be a real interesting number here. 44.66 was the low on Wednesday. Currently trading in that area. If you get a pop there, settlement was right in that area too, but this thing may be able to get up to the $45 level if you get a little positive movement in the overall market. Finally, Amazon, the online retailer, has really had a lot of trouble since it had that earnings miss not too long ago. Currently trading right around the close there, actually 30 cents above it. So let's use 189 as minor support. Below that, you see the low of from Wednesday at 187.89. The current low of the move stands at 183.58, but that doesn't look like it's going to come into to play in today's session. Well, just a quick recap of the S&Ps here before we close out our show for this Thanksgiving abbreviated session. S&Ps are getting a little pop here. Looks like they want to test the close from Wednesday as well as the low. So if we can get above this 1160 level, we may have a chance to test the Globex high. Have fun trading this abbreviated session, and we will be back with you with a full show on Monday.